Yeah, hello. So today I have here my new Vantrue Dashcam X4, which I want to install into my car today. So we're going to have a closer look at how this dashcam works, and then I'm going to show you how to install it, and also at the end then what the video quality in different scenarios looks like. So first of all here, this comes with a quick start guide, but then also with a really detailed user's manual. So in case you have further questions, then you can look into the manual. Otherwise, you're probably good with just the quick start guide. Here is the dash cam, nice and small. And let's have a look at the connections here. First, we have here the USB port, the charging port, then on-off button. Here, this in the center, that's where you connect this to the suction cup for the attachment. And here, HDMI output. And on the bottom, that's where we see here the reset button, just in case. And then on the other side, that's where the micro SD card slot is. And in the back side, we have a display and then 4 buttons. It's not a touchscreen display, so you have to use the menus with those 4 buttons. And here, the power supply here is through these cigarette lighter plug, and then here 5 volts output through this mini USB. And then how do we mount this? So we mount the dash cam with this suction cup here. See on the side here, on this lever here, that's where we have also another USB port, so we can connect the charging cable, the power cable right there, and then hide this cable really well, and you probably won't see it at all. And then here I also got here this GPS mount that enables the GPS functionality of the dash cam. So you have to order this separately, and it's just a little bit bigger than the original one that it comes with. So, but now with using this, you're going to have the GPS tag in your video, so you know exactly how fast you were going and where you were driving. So I'm going to use this to install. Now let me go through the menus of this dash cam really quick. So here, let's first power it on, goes really quick, starts up really quick. And then here we have the languages. We have several languages to choose from. So this is really good. And then of course you can also set the time and date so that you can show this timestamp and date stamp here in the video if you want to. And then here all kinds of different resolutions depending on the quality of the video that you're looking for. Slow frame rate, also so 30 frames per second, but also 60 frames per second options. Then we have all kinds of other menu items here. The settings menu, I think, is really well organized, really easy to understand. Translations, I guess, here is really good. And yeah, so you can enable all kinds of different items that you want to show in the video permanently, so they are going to show this during the video. You can like add the geotag or timestamp, of course, and then also your license plate number if you want to. So, and now the installation is really easy. It's done in a couple of minutes. So first I'm taking here my micro SD card, which I'm going to just slide in here on the left side, and I press it in. When you hear a click, then you know it is in there good. Just you have to make sure that your SD card is of the category U3, so that it's fast enough to record here this 4K footage. And then the dash cam is here asking me to format this SD card, which you can easily do here through the menu structure. I just showed you this. If you're having questions, then just look at the video, go back a little bit, see how I did this. And now I'm going to install here the GPS antenna and the suction cup. So first I'm going to connect here the power cord here, the USB cable, and then I press the suction cup against the window, and I'm here. You see here, you turn this, rotate this clockwise. And so at this point here, even the power cable here is now hidden under the ceiling, in the ceiling, and I'm going to route the cable here to the nearest cigarette lighter port here, the power port. And when you plug this in here, then you see here the blue light is lit up. That means you have power and everything works fine. So now we can have a little test drive, and I'm going to show you here under different scenarios what the footage looks like. So we start out with some normal driving conditions here, really easy, doesn't look too bad. Then here, cross traffic coming from the side. Let's see if this is blurry or not. So what do you think of this picture here? I think it's pretty good. Then also turning, so we're panning here the camera basically. This was pretty clear too. Then next we're going to have some conditions here early in the morning. I'm actually really amazed here how good this picture is, because it was really actually much darker than how this looks like in this video. And then lastly we have here a situation in the pitch dark. So this was really dark, so even there the camera cannot like pick up the dark area. So but it's not bad. I think this is actually pretty good. Yeah, okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos.